In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy gold on eToro. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is make sure you have verified your profile. So click on your profile and make sure you put in your proof of address, which can be a utility bill or bank statement. And also make sure that you provide your ID. So this can be your government ID, passport, driver's license. Now, once you've completed that, you want to complete your KYC, which is a little questionnaire. And once you've completed that, you will now be able to trade. So what you want to do is head over to watchlist, search for gold, select gold, and you will now be able to trade gold. So that is basically how it works. Keep in mind you need to deposit some funds, and after that, you should be good to go. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.